must collect a smaller organism for our research.
Indeed.
No!
Success!
Ah, Spider, you were so adorable as a little puppy. Now look at you.
Still adorable as ever.
Oh, what? Too predictable, you saw the wholesome twist coming? Well, Spider has been on Alien this whole time. Didn't see that coming, did you?
Aw, still adorable.
Well, I'm going to get me some water.
Wait, don't go alone, you fool. You know the wolf is around. Yeah, he been picking us off all the week.
Oh, right, okay. Who wanna go with me?
I'll go with you, buddy.
Hey, you always volunteer to go with people. And they always get attacked and eaten when you're with them. So brave that you'd still volunteer after so many close calls.
Hee hee. Yeah, just looking out for my fellow sheep.
I just hope the wolf doesn't show up.
Yeah, that'd be a real shame.
Yeah!
A real shame indeed.
Oh, man, thanks for the ride, dudes.
Hell,
Yeah, I'm exhausted. You're really saving me a long walk home. Thank you.
Oh, ha ha ha. You are welcome.
You can just drop me off right down here.
Okay, sure.
I owe you, man. You're a real pal.
No problem, buddy. See you later.
Yeah, see ya.
Oh, you tricked me.
Honestly, cannot believe that worked.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
There's more coming. Thanks.